let's understand the pulse wave physiology. So first understand, this part is what? This is left atria, this is left ventricle, this is the right atria, and this is the right ventricle. Okay, this is the mitral valve, MV. This is the aortic valve. Okay, when your heart is contracting during the systole, okay, it will send all the blood into the aorta from this valve. Okay, and because of this systole, this will create a wave here. This is called as the P wave. This is solely because of your LV contraction. Okay, and during this time, as a lot of blood is going into the aorta will expand a little bit, so that it can store a lot of blood here, and now this blood will go into the peripheries. Please note that your peripheries are not empty. It has already some amount of blood here. तो इमेजिन करो तुमने एक नाला बनाया है और ये एक तालाब है, तालाब में ऑलरेडी थोड़ा सा पानी है और नाले से एक ग्रेट वेलोसिटी में थोड़ा सा वेलोसिटी में आ रहा है पानी, तो यहाँ से जो पानी होगा यहाँ से ये टकराएगा, सो सम वेव्स विल गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड. सेम हैपेंस हियर, कुछ वेव्स रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएंगे, राइट? Some waves will get reflected, and that's why there will be another wave that is called as the tidal wave. This is the reflected wave from the peripheries. ठीक है? But please note that the T wave is always smaller than the P wave, such that you can only palpate the P wave while you are palpating your pulse in the periphery, right? Now your systole is complete and your aortic valve now closes. ठीक है? This aortic valve, when it closes, it creates a notch here that is called as the dicrotic notch. This is because of the closure of the aortic valve. Okay. Now what happens? Now your heart is not contracting. It won't send any blood into the aorta. So you think that your peripheries may collapse, but it won't happen. Why? Because you know that your aorta can expand and store some extra amount of blood here during the time of systole. Now it's the time to recoil back. Your aorta will recoil back. Okay, this is the recoiling, and this is called as the Windkessel effect. I have already talked about it in another video. You can see that. Now this extra amount of blood will go into the peripheries, and this will create another wave that is called as the dicrotic wave. And this is very small wave. ये बहुत छोटा सा होता है. Let's see, percussion wave. This is P wave. It is because of LV contraction. It ejects blood, aorta expand, and this will create a wave. This is also known as the pressure wave. Now tidal wave is actually the reflected wave from the peripheries. It is always smaller than the P wave. Now what is the dicrotic notch? It is because of the aortic valve closure. And what is the dicrotic wave? It is due to the elastic recoil of the aorta, and this is because of Windkessel effect. Okay, Windkessel effect. In the next video, I will be talking about the concept of stiff vessel. Please do follow my channel for more.